Have you ever looked in the mirror and noticed a small soft bump hanging off your skin and thought to yourself, what is this? Now, before you reach for scissors and try to rip it off, stop. Because that tiny bump may be a skin tag. Yes, you heard me right. It may just be a skin tag, and the way you handle skin tags matters a lot. The way you handle skin tags goes a long way. Now, it matters more than you think. The way you handle skin tag, it determines if the skin tag will go away or if it will increase in size. Now, let me tell you everything you need to know. What are skin tags? Skin tags are small harmless growth that usually appear when your skin folds. Did you hear that? Like your neck, your underarm, under your boobs, your eyelids, or even your groin area. Okay, so basically it happens where skin folds. Okay, that necessarily doesn't mean that it may not happen in other places, but basically it happens in those areas. Now, they are not dangerous, they are not infections. Okay, so don't be scared. They are just extra skin caused by friction, caused by genetics, or even caused by hormonal changes. Now, I'm sure you'll be asking, why me? Why is it happening to me? Because I don't see it in a lot of people. I'm sure you'll be asking the why. Okay, I'm going to tell you about it. You see, our skin rubs against itself constantly, especially in warm weather, in moist areas. Okay, the friction can trigger your body to create tiny flaps of skin. Listen carefully. They are also more common if you are overweight. Doesn't mean that it cannot happen in a skinny person, but if you're overweight, it is more likely to happen to you. If you are pregnant, it is more likely to happen to you. If you're diabetic, or if you have insulin resistance because of your body's cell renewal process. These are the reasons, these are why it can happen to you. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the mistakes. If it happens to you, there are some mistakes that you make that makes it worse. Okay, now let me tell you. Number one is trying to cut them off at home. No, you don't do that. That's a big mistake. Okay, a lot of people grab scissors or blades thinking it's harmless. They just want to cut it off, they don't want to see it. But skin tags have blood vessels. That's what I want you to know. Yes, you have blood vessels underneath that skin. So cutting them can cause bleeding, can cause infection, can cause ugly scars. So next time when you see a skin tag, don't just grab your scissors and cut it off. Okay, there are more ways, better ways to do it. The second mistake is what? Using a toothbrush or bleach or harsh chemicals on it. Please don't do that. It's not nice. These do-it-yourself hacks from the internet can burn your skin. It can irritate your skin. Okay, so we have to be mindful. It can irritate your skin around the neck, around the eyes, around your underarm, because the areas that I just mentioned, they are delicate. So let's be careful. Okay, I'm going to tell you how to treat your skin tags. Now, another mistake is confusing skin tags with warts or moles. Not every bump on your skin is a skin tag. Okay, so you have to know the difference. In case you don't know the difference between skin tags, warts, and moles, I'm going to make another video. The fourth mistake is ignoring underlying causes. What do I mean? There are things that can be a sign, can be a sign of friction, obesity, insulin resistance, which is common in pre-diabetes. Okay, so if you get them often, it's normal. It's just very smart for you to get your blood sugar checked. You know why? Because once you have any of these underlying issues, you can easily get skin tags. So get your blood sugar checked immediately. Okay, the next mistake is thinking removal creams can work overnight. You know, you just grab one removal cream and you think it will work overnight. Even natural treatments like tea tree oil take time. You know, it takes 2 to 6 weeks sometimes to work. So consistency matters a lot. If you want to use any of this natural stuff, you need to be consistent and you need to give it time. So now let's talk about the 5 safe ways and effective ways to treat skin tags. Number 1 is the professional removal by a dermatologist. Okay, yes, that is your safest and fastest way to do it. Okay, a dermatologist can remove skin tags using cryotherapy, that is freezing it, or burning it, you know, with their instruments, ligation, cutting off blood supply, you know. So these methods are quick, they are sterile, they are minimal, you know, minimal, and it may not cause you so much scarring. Permit me if I didn't mention those names well. Okay. All right, so the second safest way to remove skin tags are tea tree oil. Yes, they are natural method. Okay, so apply by diluting the tea tree oil, mix 2 drops with coconut oil, and then put it on the skin tag 2 to 3 times daily using cotton swab. Now, what does this do? It helps to dry out the skin tag over time until it falls off naturally. Remember, this is a natural method, so you will give it time. It's not like, you know, the professional method I told you guys that dermatologists can do for you. That one is quick. But this one is a natural method, so you give it time. Now, the third method is what? Using apple cider vinegar with caution. All right. So how do you do it? You're going to dip a cotton pad in apple cider vinegar, apply to, you know, the skin tag for about 10 to 15 minutes, then you rinse it off and repeat daily. Repeat it daily. Remember, anything that's natural needs consistency. Okay, what does this do? It helps to break down the tissue slowly. Number 4 safe way and effective way is what? Over-the-counter skin tag removers. Yes. Now, some drugstore products use natural acids to dry out this skin tag. So look for formulas with salicylic acid. Okay, so all of this can work. Now, the 5th method I'm going to be telling you is what? Know when to see a doctor, know when to see a professional, know when to see a dermatologist. Now, when are you supposed to see a dermatologist? When are you supposed to see a professional? If the skin tag changes color, please rush to the hospital. If it becomes painful, rush to the hospital. If it grows too fast, go and see a doctor. If it bleeds or look infected, go and see a dermatologist. I hope you remember these things I'm telling you, okay? Now, remember, skin tags are completely normal. They are completely normal. Everyone gets them. Do you understand? It doesn't mean that it's peculiar to you. Everybody eventually gets skin tags, especially as we age or we go through hormonal changes. Even as women, pregnancy brings skin tags. So if you've ever dealt with skin tags, comment below. Comment below and where it appeared on your body and how you handled it, if it's different from the method I just mentioned. Let's help each other out in the comment section. Okay, remember, I am open to your suggestions as well as you're open to my teachings. Okay, so guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because next time I'll be breaking down how to fix over bleached skin right away. Yes, so I hope you know this is your girl Jennifer Chris, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Stay glowing.